This 1-minute video is about playground problems and recommended solutions. Most schools don't have enough loose playground equipment. The loose equipment is necessary so that children can be involved in games. Game participation decreases playground confrontations. We have found that on most playgrounds, assigning each classroom equipment doesn't work. So we recommend a checkout system where someone can monitor the equipment and keep it pumped up and working, or discard flat balls or damaged equipment. One of the first observations in evaluating a playground that we observed was that children were spending a lot of the recess time arguing over game rules. A consistent set of game rules school-wide eliminates a lot of problems. Another important factor that affects the playground is the lack of consistent playground rules and expectations. Establishing rules for the playground and things like where to play touch football or where to play kickball makes the playground run smoothly. On our peaceful playgrounds, we have the rule you can't say you can't play. It means that all children can play all games. This also makes the playground a more socially welcoming place. When a playground supervisor sees a misbehaving student, it is important to get in close proximity to the problem, ask students to stop the behavior, and issue a playground report, if appropriate, as a warning. Tattling on other students is an issue on most playgrounds. To solve this problem, teach students the difference between tattling and telling. Tattling is when the objective is to get someone in trouble. Jamie's not playing the playground rules. Telling, on the other hand, is important and should be brought immediately to an adult on the playground. It is Johnny fell off the bars, he's crying, and he needs help. Most schools do not have enough game markings to keep children actively involved in games. Painting additional games is economical and solves a large number of problems because kids involved in games have fewer problems on the playground. Thank you for watching this 1-minute video on playground problems and solutions. Please take the time to check out our 1-minute video series on YouTube. You will find the link below in this video.